Hi guys, this is ranch potato salad. This is a conversational potato salad to take to potlucks. I wouldn't recommend you taking it to family gatherings, and I'll explain that in the video. But this definitely gives you a new twist on potato salad and a different flavor profile, perfect with any type of protein. If you want to see how to make this delicious salad, keep watching. Okay, here are the ingredients for loaded ranch potato salad. I have some bacon. I'm gonna microwave about 3 or 4 pieces. I'm using some little duos. These are like baby potatoes. They're really small. I'm gonna wash and cut those. You need some sharp cheddar cheese, a package of ranch dressing seasoning mix. You need 1 cup of milk, and you need a cup of mayonnaise. I'm gonna add some sour cream to this too. So I'm only gonna use a half a cup of mayonnaise, and the other half I'm gonna use sour cream. This comes together in a couple hours because you really need it to cool to get before you add your bacon and your sharp cheddar cheese. So I'm going to get everything set up, get those potatoes washed so we can cut them up, get them in the water. Let's get cooking. Okay, I've washed my potatoes, and as you see, they're various sizes. So to get an even cooking time, you want to kind of cut them so they're pretty much the same size. This potato salad is not the potato salad to take to family gatherings and cookouts for the holidays. This is for potlucks and just fun eating, because during the holidays people expect a certain potato profile or profile for any of their food, and most people ask who made it, especially if it doesn't look right, because I'm the same way. I have my mouth set for my mother's deviled eggs and her dressing, and I'll never forget when I was in college she changed the recipe. I came home about had a fit, and she had probably made 30 eggs, which I can eat in no time. I wouldn't touch them. She put horseradish in there. Y'all believe that? But anyway, yep, so I really love potato salad, so I wanted to give you guys one to take to a potluck, and that's where I learned most of my off the cuff, because I normally do a southern potato salad. My husband will not eat it, so that's why I'm cooking such a little bitty amount, because this is not something he will eat. And this is just for me, and I don't need any more than a couple days worth. And I like my potatoes to be cut in the size where you can kind of get them with a fork, and you don't have to have your mouth looking all big and crazy. So let me put you on pause, get the rest of these cut up, and show you the next step. Okay, I'm rinsing my potatoes one more time after I've gotten them cut. This keeps them from turning brown. They oxidize, so you definitely don't want to leave them out long. Okay, I've got my eye on high. I'm starting with ice cold water. You always want to start with cold water with potatoes. That way you get uniform cooking time. So you want to put them all in at once, and these need to go probably 15 to 25 minutes. Check them for fork tenderness. There's no such thing as an al dente potato. You have al dente pasta. You can't have al dente potatoes or beans. Either they're cooked or they're not cooked. And for me, uncooked potatoes is a deal breaker. It ruins the whole potato salad. So I'd rather you go further than shorter. May not be as pretty, but definitely will taste delicious. Okay guys, while the potatoes are boiling, I'm going to get the dressing ready. I'm using ranch salad seasoning. Now, I'm only using a couple of potatoes because, like I said, this is just for me. So I'm going to make the full dressing recipe and use it as needed. I don't mind if my stuff is overdressed. A lot of people do. This is a half a cup of milk. I reduced it. The recipe on the packet says for a cup of milk and 1 packet of ranch, but I did a half a cup because I want to use some sour cream for this potato salad recipe. I think it's necessary. So we're going to put in 4 ounces of sour cream. This is delicious potato salad. I'll tell you, maybe 30 years ago when I had it at U of M potluck, somebody brought it, and I'm in love with it now. But when I saw it on the buffet and we had all this delicious food, my heart sank, because I was looking for a traditional, potato salad with onions, bell peppers, celery, all that good stuff. And that is not what she had. She made this and gave me the recipe. So we're just going to get this all mixed together and wait for the potatoes to become fully cooked. And I'll show you guys how to pull this together. I don't know how you found me, but I'm happy you're here. Channel Quick, Fast, Easy Meals. Upload 2 videos a week and always include inspirational quote, tell a controversial joke. So if you like quick stuff, I'm an ER nurse. I'm in a hurry. I have to work the next 2 days, and I'm trying to get dinner ready for today. So you're in the right place. Go ahead and hit the subscribe button. I answer all my questions and respond to each and every one of my comments. I'm so truly blessed to have you guys, whoever watches me. Okay, I was using a whisk, and I just realized y'all let me forget to add the mayonnaise. So I'm going to guesstimate on this mayonnaise. It's supposed to be a cup. 1 cup of mayo and 1 cup of milk. So I did half a cup of milk, I did a half a cup of mayo, and I did a half a cup of sour cream. So adding mayonnaise to this. Yeah, the sour cream gives it the tang, which is something different, and the ranch flavor. It's kind of like I said, a stuffed baked potato, but it's a potato salad. I thought it was delicious for a summer table, something different. But if your family only eats traditional home style with eggs, relish, celery, bell pepper, all that good stuff, then definitely don't take this to that party. Okay, my potatoes are boiling. You always want to salt them after the water has started boiling. A little bit of salt. Let them continue to cook till they're fork tender. I don't know if I forgot to tell you guys, we're adding sharp cheddar cheese to this too. And I've got my bacon microwave. There was 3 strips. Cook for a crowd, definitely do more. There was 2 stalks of green onion or scallion. I'm going to adjust it as needed because I don't have a full recipe. I'm not using a bunch of potatoes. Okay, these potatoes cooked for 15 minutes, and I want to show you that they are fork tender. And if they smash up a little bit, that's not a big deal. Because like I said, some people like, they don't like their potato salad to have chunks in there. Not a lot of people like that, so they're definitely perfect. But you want them to cool, so I have to let these cool for about 20 to 30 minutes because you don't want to add the rest of the ingredients while this is still hot. Okay guys, this has been 30 minutes, and for the sake of not dirtying up another dish, these are pretty cool. I'm going to go ahead and add them right into this bowl here. Now, as I stated, it may be too loose or soupy because most people use 2 to 3 pounds of potatoes when they're making a potato salad, but it will tighten up in the fridge. Yes, it's quite a lot extra excess on here. So I just went ahead and did it because I'm not going to waste it. I wouldn't use it for anything else. So right now I'm going to add the scallion onions. I'm going to hold the bacon, and I'm going to hold the cheddar cheese. I want this to get cold. I don't want my cheddar cheese to melt in this potato salad. And you know what, guys? Yeah, it is pretty loose. So I'm going to get a spoon and siphon this out into another container. Okay, guys, I scooped it out. This is what's left. Yeah, that was quite a bit. So I needed quite a bit more potatoes for this. I may save and use it as a dipping sauce for some chicken tomorrow because it's just basically ranch dressing. And this is how it looks after I took the potatoes out of that excess dressing. Okay, I'm going to put these back in my bowl after I've removed the excess dressing. That you really need 3 pounds of potatoes, and I put it in an airtight container and put that in the fridge, and that'll last for 3 to 5 days in the fridge. So I'm going to cover this, put this in the fridge for 30 minutes, then come back and show you how to pull this together and tell you guys my joke. I want to thank you guys for watching. Those that know me know I upload 2 videos a week and always include an inspirational quote and tell a controversial joke. And I'm on a potato salad roll. So if you like potato salads, please come back in the next couple of weeks. I will have another one for you that you probably are not familiar with. Oh yeah, and if you're one of those people that like a crunch, because this is a creamy potato salad, nothing crunchy other than the bacon, and after sitting in the potato salad for a few hours, it will also become soft. I got some celery, but your girl's too lazy to cut it up, but if you want to add some crunch to this recipe, by all means, cut up a couple stalks of celery and add it to it. Simply delicious. Okay, it's pretty cold, so I'm going to save a little bit of bacon for garnish. And like I said, you can use as little or as much bacon as you like. That's pork bacon. If you're taking it for a potluck, I would use turkey or beef. That way everybody can have some. And some cheddar cheese. I'm just kind of eyeballing this. And this is cold. I left it in the refrigerator for about an hour. I like my potato salad cold. Yeah, see, that's just the right amount of dressing. I'm glad I pulled that off because it does tighten up. I'm going to add a little bit more cheese. Some bacon for garnish, so you know what's in here. This is perfect with hot dogs, chicken, anything you decide to cook off the grill. There's some extra green peppers on top. Okay. There you have it, loaded ranch potato salad. Like I said, you can change the ingredients. You can definitely add celery, pimento, relish. You can even add eggs to this. But I wanted it to mimic like a baked potato loaded with sour cream, bacon, and scallion. So let me tell you guys my joke. Okay, guys, let me tell you my joke. Interviewer, how do you explain this 4-year gap on your resume? Guy, that's when I went to Yale. Interviewer, that's impressive. You're hired. Guy, thanks. I really needed this job. You get it? Yale, he went to jail. He needed this uh, job. So that was pretty slick. I bet the guy was horrified once he said that. He had to retract the offer. That was cute. But anyway, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. Definitely add some celery. I'm a big texture person, and it's delicious, but I think you need the celery for the crunch. I wouldn't go with green peppers. The flavor's too strong, but in all honesty, I was trying to mimic a stuffed or a twice baked potato with sour cream, bacon, and either chives or green onions. Or potato skin, loaded potato skin. That was my theory on the potato salad. But give it a try. Like I said, take it to some cookouts or some friends and family gatherings, but nothing for the holiday. Just when you want to try something new and something different on your family. Well, God bless. Have a good evening. Like I said, thanks for watching, and I respond to all comments, and I appreciate your time. May God bless you all.